to downtown Disney, then I can buy stuff. Because these are too, you know, it's just, yeah, there's Las Vegas everywhere on like everything.
She likes things a little bit more subtle than that.
I'm supposed to say that. I like things a little bit more subtle. Things that say Disneyland all over it. I would enjoy casinos more if it was more like Dave & Buster style, where you have games, not just, you know, gambling. They need a good time crisis here, like 1s through 6 or something.
Right?
A good mix of sweet and savory. And the foie gras inside is really, really soft. So it kind of like, along with the cotton candy, just kind of melts in your mouth all together.
How's the food?
Wow. I would eat this meal every day. It's amazing. Her head was about to explode.
It was amazing.
Very amazing. It's probably most expensive. I mean, most expensive, yes.
Yeah.
I was gonna try and say tastiest. I don't think I could eat another milk pie. I think this is mine. I know, but like another victim of Terrence and Courtney's vacations. But apparently the dinner last night was a little too rich for me, and I woke up extremely nauseous this morning and everything.
And what about your foot?
Oh, and I have a blister on my foot. Yeah.
What are we doing today?
Hoover Dam. And then basically just driving back to LA.
To embark on our one nature escapade for the trip, and that is Hoover Dam. Oh yeah.
Hoover Dam.
It's pretty amazing, I guess. It's very hot. A bit too sunny for me. But it's cool. It's interesting seeing where the water level used to be and then where it is now. It's nice and breezy down there though. And the bridge, even though it like looks really simple, is actually really pretty. That's about it.
Yeah, back in LA, and we're here because I need to eat something not so heavy because my stomach is crying.